Yahrah and Freddie, a part-time travel couple out of Florida, traveling the globe to Luxe getaways and bucket list destinations.
We're excited to share our experience with you in the hopes we can help you plan your next vacation.
Join us as we embrace the world one adventure at a time. We arrived to St. Kitts on a warm and sunny day. We took a golf cart to the front of the visitor center. In case you didn't know, St. Kitts is known for its black sand and golden beaches due to the volcanic origins of the island. It also has great snorkeling and diving with its coral reefs and shipwrecks. And it's also known for its unique dual coastline. At the island's southern peninsula, you can see the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. Along the way, we saw beautiful, colorful streets, including an old telephone booth and beautiful birds. We are on our way to the Fairview Great House, a former plantation that has been turned into a tourist destination for people to learn how to cook and learn about the history of St. Kitts. We were supposed to go on the scenic railway tour, but unfortunately it was canceled, so this was another great alternative for us. Right now, the chef is going to teach us how to make several authentic and tasty dishes for the day. And we get the recipes for each that we can take home. So for now, we are going to head to the kitchen and see her make all the delicious dishes she has in store for us today. And along the way, you can see the grounds of the estate are quite stunning with its beautiful natural flora. Inside in the kitchen was already set up for us to see everything that the chef is going to prepare. And we can see it from up top.
You're going to prepare the vegetable escovy. And what I have here is breadfruit. And you will ever eat breadfruit? Yeah? No? Ever seen it? You've seen it before, but you haven't seen it. So this is the breadfruit. So you can cook the breadfruit just like a potato. Okay? So you can do so much things with your breadfruit. You can make your vegetables. You can make breadfruit chips. You can make breadfruit juice.
Well, we just finished our cooking class, and can I tell you that was pretty phenomenal. What did you think, Freddie?
It was ultra phenomenal. I watched everything she did, and guess what? I'm going to recreate that at home. Yahrah's in for a surprise.
I can't wait. Let's do it. We had jerk chicken, escovitch fish, jackfruit and veggies, and a coconut bread pudding with rum sauce with rice and beans. So I'm glad to take the recipes home, and yeah, can't wait. Now it looks like we're going to get a rum tasting. Ooh, can't wait to try all the local rums.
We had a little bit of free time to tour the estate and see the beautiful flowers and to take a photo shoot. We are here at the Fairview. Man, what an experience.
We are here at the Fairview Plantation.
I'm gonna tell you, it was just awesome. We ate some good food, watched the chef make it, and then we had some of the exotic drinks that come from here directly.
Exotic drinks meaning different rums, vanilla, coconut, mango, and spiced rum.
I think the mango and the vanilla were the two best ones that I had today.
Yes. So stay tuned for more in St. Kitts.
I'm toe up.
We are in the Port here in St. Kitts. It is blazing hot today. We're just walking around the port trying to get any last minute souvenirs and gifts. But yes, it is time to get back to the ship after our cooking class. So yeah, let's do it.
Our St. Kitts Day ended at hibachi for dinner, complete with soup, salad, and of course the show. The hibachi chef went out of his way to entertain us with egg tricks, food art, and much more. What an experience.
1, 2, 3. You got it. Oh, thank you. Diet Coke, okay? The Diet Coke on board, okay? In Japan, the fried rice, the call is one Yahrah. Okay? Okay. Japanese romantic fried rice. Okay, happy anniversary, sir, mom. Okay.
I even got to meet the head chef for the Norwegian Viva. And afterwards, we headed to the big musical show on board, which was Beetlejuice.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming videos.